channel. So today I'm going to be recreating this look. So this look is inspired by llumosmakeups. Hopefully I'm saying that right. And I love Jack Skellington. He's one of my favorite characters from my all-time favorite movie, The Nightmare Before Christmas. My favorite movie ever. So of course I'm going to be recreating this look. So let's get started. So I've already moisturized by using the Garnier Skin Active Soothing Balm. So now I'm just going to add my foundation. So my foundation, I'm going to be using the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 foundation. This is what I always use, and I use this in porcelain. And then because I ran on my concealer, I'm just going to be using a little bit more of the foundation because it is a concealer and foundation. And then I'm going to be taking my Fit Me Loose Setting Powder, and I use this in shade Fair. Now I'm going to take my Wet n Wild Color Icon Bronzer, and I use this in Sunset Striptease. And then I'm going to take my Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighter in Blossom Glow. So now I'm going to start on the eyes. So I'm going to do one eye off camera, and then I'll be back to do the... Okay, so I finished this eye, so let's do this eye. So I took the Morphe X James Charles eyeshadow palette, and I used the black. So I first started by using the M456 from Morphe, taking a bunch of the black, tapping off the excess, and just packing it onto the outer corner and moving it into my face. And then I'm taking a Morphe M441 and blending this out. Back in with the Morphe M456 and just connecting it to my lower lash line. I'm going to take a little bit of this gold shade right here on my finger. And then I'm just going to use my Art Deco mascara, my Kiss lash adhesive, and then I'm going to use my lashes in Ardell Lashes in 811 Faux Ink. I'll apply that and be right back. So I'm first going to outline everything using the white and the Maroon palette. And I'm going to speed through that and be... now I'm going to be adding the lips, so I'm just going to be using the Marron palette. Alright, and this is the final look. I am so thrilled with how it turned out. I really like it. It took a long time. It took about 3 hours, which is a long time. So yeah, this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed the look. Big shout out to llumosmakeups. I really hope I'm saying that right. If not, I'm gonna put it right here so you guys can go and check her out. And yeah, please subscribe for more videos like these, and comment down below what other videos you'd like. My fan just went off. And yeah, if you'd like to follow me on my other social medias, my TikTok is mbk_beauty, and my Instagram is mbk_beauty_. And yeah, thanks for watching.